Once the Oracle Universal Installer quits installing, hopefully with a success code, it's time to perform post-installation tasks to make sure that everything is hunky-dory. And in Windows systems, this means opening the Service Control Manager and verifying that the services for Oracle have started correctly, that there are no errors. We'll also want to check out our environment variables, particularly Oracle Base, Oracle Home. Once we deploy our database, there'll be Oracle SID. Environment variables, as you probably know, are data points or data elements that refer to specific areas in the file system. Oracle uses these environment variables as pointers, and it can get complicated for sure if you have more than one instance on a same box. In fact, we saw that in the previous module where I had Oracle Database and Grid Infrastructure and ASM instance both on the same machine. You may have to ping pong and reset certain environment variables manually. The specific way you do that differs a little bit in Linux and Windows. Actually, in Windows, our environment variables are tracked mostly in the Windows registry, as I'll show you. We can also use the System Control Panel. Another post-installation task is to check the file system, go into the Oracle base, make sure everything's looking good in there. Windows, we have some additional bells and whistles that Linux users do not have. In Windows, we have a Microsoft Management Console where